So yes, the title's correct. We're doing another boosted range test today. We're doing the boosted range test. And what I mean by boosted range test, the actual test that they done themselves, yeah, we're going 6 miles an hour today. Now I don't have a flat surface, a completely flat surface, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna go 6 miles an hour. Now I strongly suggest no one try this at home. This is probably gonna bore me to death, and I don't really want to get hurt. So yeah, 6 miles an hour on the boosted rev. Now I'm hoping to get 20 miles of range. If I don't get if I don't get at least 19 to 20 miles of range, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be disappointed, because I'm virtually going 6 miles an hour. Now if you haven't seen any of my other videos, I went in mode 1, I basically went full out 13 miles an hour, and I got about 16 miles of range. So there shouldn't be any reason I can't get at least 19 to 20, right? Going 6 miles an hour. So that's what we're gonna figure out today. 6 miles an hour, let's go. Okay, so like always, I'm gonna be using Map My Ride right here. I'm gonna start it as soon as I get going. Now the tires, again, I've checked, they're at 50 PSI. It is a much cooler day today. All of my other range tests have been around 86 to almost 90 degrees. So it is 66 degrees right now with a high of 76. So it's gonna be significantly cooler. Now I'm hoping with obviously cool temperatures and going 6 miles an hour, I should be able to get 19 to 20 miles an hour. Okay, so today we're gonna go somewhere different, guys. I figured if I'm gonna go 6 miles an hour, which I'm going right now, if you can see 6 miles an hour, if I'm gonna go 6 miles an hour, I'm at least gonna go somewhere that's a little bit more beautiful than where I normally go. So this particular spot is a 12-mile round trip. It is, it basically goes past a bunch of wineries, I guess you can say. So yeah, now I'm gonna speed this up because I don't want this to be a 2-hour video. So I'll catch up with you guys probably towards where the wineries are. So I'm going so slow, I'm being passed up by a person that's barely pedaling on their bike. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. To be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna make this whole hopefully 20-mile journey at 6 miles an hour. So I figured if I'm gonna go 6 miles an hour, at least let me enjoy the scenery. I think this is like, I don't know if this is one big winery or vineyard, but this is a really nice area right here. I'm almost thinking this might be one vineyard here or winery, but it opens up farther as we go up here, and I'm gonna show you that here in a few minutes. I am at 5.5 miles, 75% battery life. So okay, so I started this test at 12:30. It's already 1:45, so I don't know if I have a lot more time to actually do this test, because I have to pick up the little one at 2:30, and it's gonna take me, if I go 6 miles an hour, it's gonna take me at least another hour to get back home. I might have to do this again actually, but I'm gonna see what time it is when I hit the 6 mile mark down here, and then I'm gonna try my best to do as much as I can at 6 miles an hour. But once it hits about 220, I might have to actually probably put it in mode 2 or something and head back. Okay, so I've officially ran out of time. I can't finish this test. It is almost 2 o'clock and I have to pick up my daughter at 2:30. So I'm gonna call it quits here. Let me see exactly where I was. This is, let's see. So I'm at 69%. Here, let's see if I can get you to see that there. I'm at 69%. I've traveled, come on, basically 6.8 miles, and it's been like an hour. It's been like an hour and 20 minutes. I didn't realize it was gonna take this long to try to burn this battery down, but this is not over, I guess. But I'm extremely happy that I came out today, because I'm not gonna lie, I've been inside the house a lot lately. I don't know what's going on with me. I just haven't been wanting to make videos, and I've been inside the house. So it's a very beautiful day. Now I'm gonna have to probably go a heck of a lot faster than I am now to try to get back in time enough to get the little lady. But guys, this is beautiful. Check this out. Got a nice little bridge right here with a little farm with all the little milk cows back there. Let me see. I'm using the RX 100 Mark 7. So let me see if I can zoom it in. Check it out. It's like a milk cow farm out here. And then of course there's a winery right next to it, or a vineyard, I should say. Well, let me zoom back out. So yeah, there's a freaking farm, a vineyard out here. It's a really cool place to actually ride the scooter. But yeah, it's a really cool place to ride. I wish I could have finished the test to see how far I could go in mode 1, going 6 miles an hour, but oh well. But I'm still happy I came out. I'll see you guys in the next video, because I have to rush home now. Okay, so I know I keep saying I'm leaving, but I just want to show you how beautiful this place is. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And obviously there's another dirt trail that goes that direction that I'm not riding my scooter on right now, because I have to get back to pick up the little one. But I just can't say how much I love living in Santa Rosa. Very beautiful place to live when you get outside of the city. So many trails.